Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today's video is going to be about my thoughts on decor items as a minimalist around the holiday season. So if you guys do enjoy this video, make sure to throw a thumbs up down below and do not forget to subscribe if you are new here, and let's just jump right into it. Now, for the first thing that I do want to put out there is a little disclaimer saying being a minimalist does not necessarily mean having a blank space all year round. Even though I am a minimalist, I love plants, and I do like decor items, so everybody is different, and just take that into consideration with this video. I am not speaking for every minimalist person. I'm not speaking for every person in the world. I am just speaking for myself right now. I'm not telling you guys how to live or decorate your holiday season. I'm just giving you my intake on it. So I definitely want to put that disclaimer out there, so I don't want people attacking me in the comments. Now, getting on to the first thing is that I decorate to a more simple taste. Now, I prefer things that are a little bit aesthetically pleasing to my eye, and I like things to also match my apartment. So that is when it comes to the holiday season. As you guys can see, that is my Christmas tree back there. I believe it was 10 or 15 around there. There was taxes involved, but it did come pre-lit, and it's a little nightlight at night. It only takes like 3 AAA batteries, which I purchased from the dollar store, and it's just a really great Christmas tree for myself. You guys know I live alone. I do not have any children yet. I did have a tree last year that was given to me, and it was all white with blue lights, and the girl ended up giving me these silver gold balls to put around it, a tree topping. But I did all that, and I was never really home last year, so it kind of went to waste. I know with decor items, you kind of want to maybe sit down, drink some hot cocoa, just kind of feel the holiday season. And that wasn't the case for me. The holiday season is really busy for me. I'm usually at work most of the time, or I'm usually at my mom's house or stuff like that. So with me being here around the holidays, it's not that much of a thing. So I kind of wasted like 2 hours of setting up that tree, and then I took it down after New Year's and I said, you know what, I'm gonna give this tree to someone that truly needs it, and that person was my mom. My mom's tree was breaking, and she's had it for about 15 years. We do fake trees because I don't necessarily believe in cutting down a tree, putting it in your house, and then throwing it away. I know you can replant it outside, but if you guys see my neighborhood after the holidays, it's just dead trees all the way down the street waiting for the trash guy to pick them up and throw them away. So I just find that a really big waste. No offense to people that love real trees and that pine smell. I love it too. But I love that they're outside alive and not just cutting them down for looks. So my mom's the same way with that. She likes the fake trees. So I ended up giving her my old white Christmas tree, and she already put it up this year, and she says thank you every time I go there because it's just something that's gonna last her for years and years and years. So you guys are probably wondering, Kira, what do you have as decor for the holidays in your house? Well, as of right now, to be honest with you guys, I only have this tree, and I do have a little tiny snowflake on my door. I can't really take it down right now because I kind of like nailed it to the door for just the seasons. So I only have those 2 items. I know, kind of weird for most people to see that, but it's gonna be easier for me to clean up. All I have to do is put that in a box after the New Year's, and the snowflake in the box, and that's it. The reason why I don't go all out, which I probably won't go all out when I get older, but when I do have kids, I will have a little bit of a better decor situation going on because I think that they will get more joy out of it. Another thing that can be great around the holidays is meaningful decor items. Now, meaningful decor items can be a great special little thing around the house because it can be ornaments made from your kids, those Christmas cards that you get every year from family members. The best thing to do with those is to add a little bit of tape and put them either on your fireplace mantle, or you can tape them somewhere around the walls in the house, or even a door. We do that at work. We tape all the Christmas cards on the door to get into the kitchen, and it just kind of brings a little bit of more festivity, and it was free because people give you those Christmas cards. So most of the Christmas cards nowadays are actually really beautiful, and I normally will probably tape them around a mantle. If I haven't got any Christmas cards from family members yet, but eventually I will once when December hits. And that is the best way to deal with decor items, is to minimize the ones that kind of are just blah and don't mean anything to you. It's a little bit more meaningful when they are either handmade or they just bring you joy. Also, with that being said, another little cheap fix for decor items is to change your family photos to holiday photos. Now, I know a lot of people take holiday photos. I recently just took a couple pictures of my nephew and niece at a pumpkin patch, and I put those pictures, I replaced the summer pictures of them in the pool with those pictures from the pumpkin patch. So it's a little bit of a autumn and winter vibe going on in the parlor. That is another easy way to add decor to the house, is to change your family pictures to holiday pictures. The next thing is finding a focal point in the house. Now, a focal point can be anywhere where you put just all of your energy into relaxing for the holidays, and that is where it is all decorated. Instead of doing the whole entire house, you can have your focal point as with the fireplace or the Christmas tree. It's so much easier to clean up when you have a focal point. So it is a really simple cleanup when you just have that Christmas tree area, you have the presents down, you have a little bit of a train going, and everyone just kind of sprawls around that same area, puts all their energy into decorating that area, and the rest of the house is clean. Of course, you don't have to do this, but I find it super easy when you focus on a little focal point in the house, and everyone puts a little bit of their touch to that spot. And at the end of the holiday season, you will be like, wow, this is such a great idea, because all you have to do is take the tote and put everything from that focal point into the tote, and the house is completely clean. So it's a super easy cleanup. Now, the last thing that I do want to say is that getting creative with natural items for the holidays. This can save you a ton of money when it comes to decorations. Instead of running out to the Christmas tree shop or Walmart to purchase a couple Christmas items that are all $30, $40, they tend to rank up the price around the holiday season. The best thing you can do to save money to decorate the house is to go outside, even get the kids involved. They're gonna love this, because I remember doing it when I was a little girl, is collecting pine cones, sticks, even the leaves from the pine trees that fall off. You know how sometimes they fall off in branches and you pick it up and it's got the pine needles on them? Bring all that in the house, lay down an old newspaper, an old box, get some glitter, glue, and you can decorate all those items. I know we used to spray paint the branches to white, put them in a vase, and then we have the white branches. Sometimes we'll add a little bit of a glitter top to them. And same thing with the pine cones. We would glitter up the pine cones like crazy with white, gold, red, green, put them all in a bowl, and that would be the centerpiece as we all ate Christmas dinner. So definitely try to bring nature into the house, because what can you lose? It's free, it's a great activity for the kids, and you can use it next year as well. So definitely give it a try. You never know what you or your kids can create for the holiday season. So anyways, you guys, I know this video was probably the shortest video I've made in a while, but the reason why I didn't go too in depth with it is that I know that everyone has their own style and their own taste when it comes to the holiday items, especially with decor items. Everyone has their own little thing that they love. For me, I like aesthetically pleasing, very simple decorations, and I don't think that's just because I'm a minimalist. I think that's just what I like. So do whatever you like. I just wanted to give you a couple tips and to share my thoughts on when it comes to the holiday season. I really hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, all the best wishes for your holiday season, and I will catch you guys in the next video.